What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing Derek Hale, Teen Wolf. This is a Patreon request from Art.Simple. If you have specific requests, you're always shouting at me in the comments and I don't see it. I apologize. But there is a way of getting it to me. Just Patreon and or super thanks. Like I discovered that recently actually. The super thanks is a thing and it pops up in my thing. So $5 and I'll draw what you want, basically. Go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Alpha werewolf with no eyebrows, but a very big frowning like plastic makeup thing on. Let's go for it. Center point here. Come up. We start with like a tick for his eyebrow. Now this is like hugely exaggerated makeup they use. So it's like this big tick going this way. And it's not hairy, but there's just like a frown sort of. This is like his brow area, and then there is extra skin on the corner of his eye, right? So it's all like gnarly coming around his eye, basically all wrinkly, and there's no sound effects like I'm doing, but there's these like wrinkle lines just coming up around there. Right, so then his like eye is in here, glowing blue. Well, in the poster it's glowing blue. You could have a glowing red or blue, whatever way you like, really. And then his pupil. There, and then his bottom eyelid then just kind of comes across here. Can't see it really, it's in shadow, but I would assume his bottom eyelid goes that way. And then eyelashes, just dots and sort of dashes coming around here. And then like the bags underneath his eye. Like so. So, that's one eye. Other one, similar, curved, frowning section, real big, with loads of wrinkles over his eye. Same sort of thing again, and like frowning lines there. Dupe. Right, we'll add his iris and pupil. We'll try and get him same sort of level. Semicircle just in that eyebrow section. And he's looking up under the eyebrow at us. And then bottom eyelid up into the corner there. And then dots and dashes for the eyelashes on the bottom. And then those sort of bags underneath his eyes. I don't know if the bags under his eyes are wrinkles or makeup, or if they're actually part of his face. Hard to tell. It's good makeup. So, wrinkles on the nose. So there's like this sort of bumping wrinkle line there, and then some like coming down his nose, kind of like a lion or a tiger sort of thing, you know, carving. Right, so then we're going to skip a bit and then just add the nostrils on the side here. So we're just jumping down a bit. And then two curved lines here. And then they join the tip of his nose, which comes down around up to there. I'll just do a bit more for the nostrils and stuff here. Like another wrinkle and line coming from the side of his mouth, because, you know, he's open mouth, sort of screaming and roaring and stuff all here. Okay. So, mouth then and teeth, right? So, the mouth, when it's open this wide, it's like, it kind of becomes like this box-like shape, right? So you don't have much, it is kind of bumpy, but it goes like that at first. So it kind of looks like the Hulk at the minute. But then this opens up, right? Comes down. So you make him look like real grumpy. He's so grumpy. Just woke him up, not happy. And then we'll go down the side here. Right. So it's nearly like you're going to be a love heart, but you cut off the pointy bit, so it just like comes around like so. Up like that. So kind of maybe an apple, you know, kind of looks like an apple. If you put like the stem there. And then, so his top, when the mouth is this wide, the lips are quite stretched, right? So you got like these stretched out sort of lips, skin lines. And sort of lines coming around the mouth and stuff. And he has a big beard and stuff like that, but, well, stubble and long facial hair when he's a werewolf. Right, and then all these lines come down the side of his mouth. And like his bottom lip would be like sort of just here. Again, sort of thinner than a bottom lip normally would be. Some hatching underneath. So big fangs, right? So real big ones on the side here, right? And then two more relatively big ones here. And we'll draw in sort of the gum a little bit here as well. This little sort of V. And in the middle, right in the middle, he has big, they're kind of pointy, but you know, there's the square type. They're a little bit pointy. And then you might see like one more tooth at the back here. And like stubble and stuff on his it's not like a hairy mustache, so you don't have to like, you just draw some like stubble sort of around here. And some down here as well, but we just get his teeth sort of in first, right? So you got like fangs here, the big ones sort of sticking up, because we're like looking down into his the bottom of his mouth, right? So then you can see those sort of flat ones. And then we can just see like his molars sort of going back this way. That one could be spiky, I'm not sure. Can't see, there's real big shadow now on this side, but I'll do my best with that one. his tongue cannot see at all. So I'm going to guess this one. So the tongue line will go straight down the middle. And then like just the side of his mouth here, some gum lines here, textures and stuff. Okay, so he has a big square chin, right? Here. And this gradually starts to become hairy along the sides. So say like it'll be sort of like his mouth kind of going, his chin kind of goes up that way. But it gets real sort of spiky and hairy. Like real pointy werewolf stuff. All here. And it actually joins his hair on his head. So this is like his sideburn sort of area. So here, this is all real hairy stuff. Goes up that way, and it's like, so this is like his sideburn, and it goes onto his cheeks. And then comes down the side of his mouth here. This is like hair and stubble. So like say the sideburn here as well. And then he has like just all stubble down here, like hair. Not full beard on his chin. Just it's all this like stubble, basically. So I know I keep saying that, but it's the only way I'm trying to describe it better. But it's just these lines like this. Right, and then looks like the hairline just sort of continues up. Right, there's like a V in the middle there, and it joins to the side here. Right, so okay, so his hairline is like kind of flat. There's a bit of a fringe maybe. Like say, there's like some lines here, like a fringe sort of section just at the front. Going that way as well. But mostly it's kind of just shaved and combed around that way. Okay, I think that's his hair basically. And then he has pointy sort of ears at the side. Pointy sort of elf-like ears. Right, and then so his t-shirt, so he's got like high up shoulders, right? Sort of coming out from his hair here. Bumpy. Now male shoulders is about head width. So the width of his head will bring you out to sort of the edge of the shoulder, not the ear part. That'll go too far. It's his face, right? The head itself. Do the same on the other side. And like t-shirts tend to like have these bumping wrinkles just going down that way. Just makes them look more like fabric. He's all these tears on his shirt here. Probably do it. And his collar just coming around this way. Like a V sort of section. And then his neck muscles coming down from his jaw. Jaw will be there. So we'll go. Right, and then so there's all these tears. There's a lot like blood in here, so it's kind of like up to you what way you want to color it. So there's all these scratches and stuff inside. He's been clawed by another wolf, obviously, and there's all blood and stuff in there. But that's it, I think. It's the best I can do. Character's name is Derek Hale, Alpha Wolf from Teen Wolf. Hope it's helpful. Parzival, thanks for the request on Patreon. Thanks for the support on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.